Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to upload an image file name, an image which name is too large. So you cannot upload it to Pinterest account and you get an error message. So there is two ways to upload that image which has too large name. If the name of image is too long, you can do like this. So you can either to reduce the name so that you can upload it to Pinterest account, or you can also do it, go to your Pinterest account and then click in. Now you can upload it from here and not from by dragging to here. It gets an error message. So we need to upload from here. Click here. And now browse to the image file location. So upload that image. Obviously you can upload image if you have the image name which is too long. So subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.